Oh, really? Okay,
What
okay.
is that? Is that your car?
What else?
Looks more like a piece of junk.
What junk, huh?
What? Fuck say it's junk? It's junk.
Hey, back off! Hey!
Excuse me!
Next time!
Anytime!
Hey, Beneath! Did you know that your car over here is a rope pattern?
What? What do you mean by that, huh?
Well, you see, according to regulations,
Good.
Hey! You wanna see something fly? Catch!
What?
What? Scrap! That's right!
Hey, what? It's okay. Hey, Gini, is this really your car?
Yeah! Can it even move?
Yeah, that's all you want, guys. Just wait till I'm done with this, baby. I'm gonna glass this to the perfect. Just you wait and see. Hey, wait. Does that mean that you and Rizzo made up?
Yeah.
Well, of course we did. I mean, what else, man?
Obviously they made up. She realized that he's the catch of the year.
But that's not what I heard.
Then,
Marty told me that Rizzo felt sorry for you.
oh!
Begging and whining.
Guys,
Oh, yeah. So
Hey,
shut it.
guys! Quit it! What's the problem with you two, huh?
I mean, look
What?
at it!
Yeah, they look like a car.
So what, huh? Do you have a car?
I mean, just look at it!
So what? What do you have? Huh?
Fine, you!
Just look.
Come on, tell me something. Huh?
Fine.
See? Then let's quit it and focus on getting this thing shaped up.
Shaped up? You mean this piece of junk?
Guys, come on. Just use your imagination.
Wow, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic.